Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today video is all about iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing. So as you can see the recap of the video, so this is the overall look of the iPhone with lot of advanced features in it. And front there are two cameras and back side it was like three cameras. And let's open the box. So we got this iPhone 15 Pro Max in Poland. So currently and I think it has been a lot of different prices for this iPhone 15 Pro Max. So we had taken this one for 8,999 PLN. So I think people who are in Poland, they know what is PLN, and people who are out of Poland country, I would like to tell the currency. Like one zloty is equal to 20 rupees, 20 Indian rupees. So as you can see the box, it looks like that. So this iPhone is of four different colors, I think so, but we got blue titanium color. So let's see. So this is how the box looks like. So guys, I want to tell you one thing. If you see over in this video, people with lot of excitement, they wants to try to open the box like that way, but it's not the correct. Just read the instructions and see around what is there and then follow. So over here, if you see, there is a green arrow button with a white strip, small strip. So you need to open that one, then it will open. See. All right. Yeah. So next, here we go. So this is blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is 6.7 inches, and please comment below. I'm confused whether it is 6.7 inches or 6.7 inch or 5.7 inch. And there is an USB. So it is an USB-C charger cable, 1 meter, 1 m, and it is an rule book, I mean instructions we need to follow. So I think again we need to buy the extra earpods if you want. And it has chip used is A17 Pro chip, which is new 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency, and it has 6-core GPU also and 16-core neural engine. So yes, as we got this from Poland, so it's Polish language. I don't know what is this. So now we need to select our language. And yeah, and one more thing here, over here, if you have an old iPhone, you can transfer your all data from old to new, and everything will be like, it appears like as if you are as if like your old phone. And it has a lot of security in this iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here the Face ID, it was oh my god, it was literally taken a lot of pictures of your face. You need to take from different angles, like from center, from upwards, downwards, left, right, like that. So after taking a lot of pictures, then you can have the Face ID security. And in this iPhone Pro Max, there is a lot of I think there is a front camera. Main camera is 48 MP, and other in front it was 12 MP ultra wide, and yeah, of course it is an 5 GB one. So technology was used, and I think there are a lot of advanced features in this. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting updates. And yeah, this is the back camera. As you can see, there was 3 cameras over there, and yeah, in front it was 2. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video, and for more interesting updates, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment below. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.